It's not really appropriate for me to wear it for this next song, but I will cherish it, and chances are it's going to show up sometime tonight. But I'm going to put it on the mic stand for now. Actually, no, Brett took my mic stand away, so never trust a guy in a Cosby sweater, you know? You know, Jack, you don't need that fucking Cosby sweater, dude. You don't need it. I don't think you need it. That's good. I can't handle you in a Cosby sweater. No Josh Club t-shirt? Hold on. It says No Josh Club. Josh Ramsey. More like douche Ramsey. You know what, Brett? Your position in this band is tenuous at best. I'm gonna start a No Brett Club. What, you want to talk on this, don't you? Why should I trust you with my microphone? Okay, fine.
He's just jealous because my t-shirt is way cooler than his open whatever the fuck. Look at this. He hasn't even gone through puberty. There's a little bit of chest there. You know, there's third time Josh is a bar star. Why do you think he can sing so high? It's not because he's talented, it's because his balls are still up here.
Hurt Michael Jackson. Okay. Enough with Brett-related tomfoolery. On to me-related tomfoolery. So, have you guys heard any single on the radio yet? We just shot the video for it. It's gonna come out in here. 1 second. It's gonna come out in a couple of weeks. We're very excited about it because it's the first time we had to do a serious video. I had to put on my serious face, and I don't bust that thing out very often. Because normally it's like you call me for a video and you get this. Normally that's what happens.
I think I saw tears streaming this time.
Tears?
Tears streaming.
From me?
Yes.
In the video?
Yes.
Well, it was emotional. You know what? Originally, everyone fucking called this song the Lion King song, and I jokingly said we were going to do a video with me holding Simba off a cliff. Which is exactly what it is. But you know what? A lovely fan, was that last night?
Yeah, last night.
Did a Photoshop picture that's me and Simba as one entity. It's like Simba with fucking blue emo hair or something.
It's like when you see Josh be really with.
Is this mine or yours? I don't see you look so over my shit. You get it?